last video, we discussed the three types of fractions. The proper fraction, the one that has small number as the numerator and the denominator as a bigger number. We have the improper fraction, the one with the bigger number as the numerator and the smaller number as the denominator. And then we have the mixed fraction, the one that has whole number and a proper fraction. And I said in this video, we will be switching between improper fraction and mixed fraction. You're welcome back. I am Miss Becca and I make math click. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so now and give this video a thumbs up. So now let's switch from improper fraction to mixed fraction. We want to convert 9/4 to a mixed fraction. So let's write it out. We have 9/4. To convert this to a mixed fraction, we'll say how many times will 4 go in 9? 4 will go in 9, 2 times, because 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 will go in 9 2 times. And what will be the remainder? The remainder is 1. So we will write it like this. 4 will go in 9, then remainder. The remainder will be the numerator, while 4 remains the denominator. That is how to convert from improper fraction to mixed fraction. Let's convert this to mixed fraction. How many times will 2 go in 15? 7, right? Then what do we have as the remainder? We have 1 as the remainder. So that will be the numerator, and then we have over 2. Now let's switch it. Let's convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now we have 2 whole number 1/4. If you want to convert this to improper fraction, don't forget that improper fraction means the bigger number is sitting on the smaller number. That is improper. So to convert this, we will multiply the denominator by the whole number. That is, we will say 4 times 2. Then we add the numerator, add 1. So 4 times 2 will give 8. And then we add the numerator, that is 1. 8 plus 1 will give 9. So that means we will have 9/4. Let's try 7 whole number 1/2. So this means we'll multiply like this. 2 times 7 is 14. We multiply, then we add to this. So 14 plus 1 is 15. So this gives 15/2. Now it's your turn. Convert 2 to 5 to improper fraction, and then convert 37/4 to mixed fraction. Once again, I am Miss Becca and I make math click. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so now and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video, where we uncover why fractions that look totally different can actually be equal. That is the power of equivalent fractions. See you.